I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and today we use the Ventrac Broadcast Spreader to spread grass seed on a new yard install. After a new home is built, the ground can be pretty rough sometimes. The Ventrac is nice because it has all the tools available to turn that rough ground into finished graded material like this. It's much more efficient than a walk-behind or a ride-on spreader, all without having to worry about large equipment doing more damage to the surface than you started with. The spreader is very easy to attach to this tractor. It simply slides into the rear 2-inch receiver hitch and then hooks into the 12-volt plug on the back. To do this job correctly, the most important thing you need to do is dial in your application rate. You also want to make sure that you close the gate while the spinner is spinning so that you don't get material built up underneath the spreader. Since all materials are a little bit different and spread differently, the specific seed that you use will always have a unique spread pattern. First, we started off with the grass seed mix, and then after that, we switched over to a pelletized fertilizer. There will be spots on the property where you have to close the gate so that you don't over-apply seed and waste it. With the Ventrac spreader, it's convenient because that lever is just behind the right shoulder of the operator and easy to access. And after it starts growing, the homeowner is going to come back a few weeks later and use the aerator and seed box to overseed and fill in any gaps that didn't grow as well as others. Thank you for watching this video on the Ventrac Broadcast Spreader. For more information on this product or our other attachments that are used to install yards like this one, visit our website at ventrac.com.